Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy shares. So if you want to buy shares, what we're going to do first of all is go to custom and go to active trader, because this is the trade station that I like the most to use on MooMoo. I'm also using the MooMoo platform because I like that one more than the web trader. And if you don't have any idea how to download the MooMoo platform, I created 20 minutes ago a video with how to download the platform, and there you can check that out and then you will have the platform in just 1 minute. Then after that we go to custom and then we click on active trader. Then what we're going to do right here is we can search in this bar for a symbol. Now what I recommend you to do is if you want to buy a share, search already for how that share calls. Because right now if you want to buy that share, I think, let's say we want to buy, for example, Apple. Then we search for Apple and then you will find right here Apple. You have also here Nvidia or Tesla standing, but you need to know how that share is calling. Then what we're going to do right here is we go to the right to this order panel, because from here we can create ourselves a position. Maybe you see this orange button and that says trade, and I don't verify my account right here on MooMoo because I made more than 3,000 videos on crypto exchanges and brokers. I won't give every broker my personal information, so that is why they're standing trade, but most of the time when you verified your account, there will be standing buy or sell. So let's start right here with creating our position. We can select right here the session, so decide in which session you want to buy. Now this one is fine for now. And then we can select right here which order type. So let's do a market order. And with that, I mean, I can directly buy it instead of that we need to hit a price limit and then he will buy it for us. So market is fine. And then we can fill in right here how much we want to buy. Let's do 3 shares. That is fine. And then what we're going to do, or what you can do, is click here on take profit if you want to do that, or stop loss if you want to do risk management. And then after that, select right there on buy. Now they're standing trade. And if I click on trade, you see that I need to verify my account. But normally they're standing them buy and then you can buy it by yourselves. So this is how you can buy shares right here on MooMoo. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.